Peace of Christ to all. This is a video answering a brother. He's asking me that the Muslims, they say to him, or they are saying in one of their videos, that chapter 79 verse number 30 is saying that the earth is a flat. You know, before we start to show you that this is all is a lie, this website we are using, this is an official government website of Jordan, the Kingdom of Jordan. If you read with me in here, the Ministry of Religion and Affairs, Kingdom of Jordan. And by the way, the King of Jordan and his family, they claim that they are from the seeds of Muhammad. So this is very official website, and actually it's approved by Al-Azhar University, which is one of the highest authority of education of Islam in the world today. Which means if you graduate in there, you will have a degree in farting. Yes, in farting, nothing more. So we go back to the verse to show you the answer. I'm not going to answer actually, read with me. This is chapter 79, this is verse number 30. The Muslims in their video, they translate the word dahaha as a shape of an egg, when the word is totally the opposite. The word in Arabic for the shape of an egg or like a ball, it is the word dahya, not this one. This is totally different word, but it's okay. Muslims are allowed to lie, and we are here to expose them, no problem. And ask yourself, if the Muslims who they are making those videos are telling the truth, how come the Muslims who they are making this site, which is an official government website of Saudi Arabia, sorry, Jordan, they are saying it is flat? Not me. Actually, I can show it to you from the Saudi website. It's the same. 79:30. And after that he spread out the earth and he made it flat. Do you see it? This is not me saying that. This is not my translation. This is not my interpretation. This is their own words. So why Muslims lies? Simply because they are a Muslim. And if you are a Muslim, you have to lie. Surah 3 verse 28. Muslims, they are encouraged to lie as long as they are protecting Islam. For the sake of a protection of Islam, you can lie. You can swear in Allah that you love America, no problem. You can swear in Allah that you love Israel even, no problem. As long as you have a plan to destroy them, it's okay. Now let us show you more verses saying that the earth is a flat, because this is not the only one to support what we are saying. If we go to chapter 71:19, it says clearly the following: and Allah made the earth flat. And you see between the two mark, this is something they add just to make it as like look better, but this is not in the Quran. And here there's no word open. Wallahu ja'ala lakum al-arda bisatan. And God has made the earth a flat expanse for you. There is no expanse, there is nothing. Bisat, simply bisat is a carpet. The word bisat, this is the word bisat. It is a carpet. So the earth is flat. Not my translation, not my interpretation. This is not a Christian scholar. This is Tafsir al-Jalalain, the interpretation of al-Jalalain himself, with the translation made by Muslims, approved by Muslims. Let us move to different verse. The mountain of Qaf. This is chapter 50 verse number 1. The name of the chapter Qaf. Now what this chapter is saying, simply supposedly in here, Allah is swearing by a mountain. Okay, why Allah is swearing by a mountain? Because this mountain is so huge. Okay, weird. Where is this mountain? According to the Quran, there is a mountain is overlooking the earth. Read with me. He says it is an azure mountain overlooking this world. So it's not only in a location, it's overlooking the world. So it's surrounding the earth, which means it's like a wall. Like you have a wall around your house, you have a fence, the fence. Okay, the only way to make a fence, if you have a flat ground, or in somehow it's flat. If it is in the shape of an egg or a ball, this cannot be a fence, because then the fence is going to be a fence for what? Simply the fence is going to divide the earth to two, because the earth is in a shape of an egg or a ball. So you cannot say overlooking the world. The only way that this mountain became a fence to the world, if the world is flat. And if you read with me in here, you will see how dummy the one who wrote the Quran. and he's saying, and the color of the sky takes from it. So this means that this is a blue mountain. This is why we cannot see overlooking this world, and the color of the sky is coming from this mountain. So if somebody, according to the science of Allah, asks you why the sky is blue, what is the answer? The answer is because there is a mountain, it's called Qaf, and this mountain is surrounding the earth, the science of Allah. Do you dare to say it's wrong? We will cut your head. Hello? So whoever said to you that the earth is not a flat in the Quran, it's just there are a bunch of kids trying to defend their religion and trying to make it look better, and they are allowed to do so, as we explain in Surah 3 verse 28 and Surah 60 verse number 1. Lies is allowed in Islam. Actually, the Prophet of Islam, he said you can lie in 3 cases. A Muslim, he can lie even to his wife. A wife, she can lie to her husband. I don't know who is going to marry someone, or how you can have a marriage, and you are allowed people to lie to each other, even in marriage, even in family. So you can lie to your family, you can lie to your friend, and you can lie to your enemy. And then you ask yourself, who's left? Anyway, so I hope this answer your question regarding the earth is flat or not from their own words. Until now, as you see, I did not put any effort from my own. This is not my explanation. This is not my words. This is not my translation. And this is not my website. All of it, it's Islamic, and the Muslims, they cannot say one word, refuting this, because I'm not saying any word from my own. This is first. Somebody asked me about a different verse, chapter 39, verse number 5. And we can read from any website you want. This is the official government website of Saudi Arabia. The Muslims, they say to you, the word yukawwir on here, it's about the yukawwir, it's mean, overlap, overlap. The Muslims in their videos, because they have to lie, they say to you, you see, the Quran is saying yukawwir, in Arabic it's mean make it like a ball, when the whole world, it's not even the earth, it's not about even the earth. And the proof, read with me, this is their own translation, not mine, and I will show you even the explanation. He created the heavens and the earth. True. This is between the 2 marks, by the way, it's just an addition. So, like they added to explain to you more. In a true preparations, he makes the nights overlap the day. So, the word yukawwir, it's about the night and the day. The Muslims, they will say, you see, yukawwir, it's about the earth. So, this is just a stupid fool. He make a video, and some Western, because they don't speak Arabic, they can play with you. But anyway, you can go and even read the translation, and you will see the translation have nothing to do with the earth even. This is about the day and the night. And actually in here, proving to us that the God of Islam, he do not know why the earth, why the night and the day is happening, because he makes the night overlap the day. Actually, we don't have much time left. I will make another video about this to show you how, like in here in chapter 36, verse number 36, 37, 38, etc., you will see that the Quran or the Muslims believe that the sun or the night cover over the day, which means the night cover over the day. How? Simply, Muhammad himself is explaining. Allah take away the day, and then the night come. He take it away. So Allah is considering the day as something physical. He draw it away like a horse. You take him from the leash, you take him away. How Allah he do that? Simply, he take the sun. The sun every day run to a station. Where is that station? Muhammad, he will tell us. This is not me. So no Muslim can say this is a lie. Muhammad, he asked one of his men. He said to him, Ya Abu Dharr, atadri ayna taghrubu ash-shams? Do you know, the guy, his name is Abu Dharr, do you know where the sun set? The man, he said, no, I'm not the prophet. Muhammad, he said, the sun go and set every day under the throne of Allah. Under Allah's throne. So this is how Allah, He take the day away and He bring the sun, the night. By taking the sun run every day and sit under the throne of Allah. First go in the murky water, then appear under the throne of Allah, and then later Allah will allow the sun to come back to bring the day with it, which is very fast, because we knew that the sun is not going nowhere, the sun is not running anywhere, the earth is going around itself, and this is why we have the day and the night. Follow with me with the coming video. Christ is Lord, Islam is false, and